1269 Sonatina. So we have artificial grass and a patch there and there. This is a really beautiful neighborhood. Hi, puppies! So there's kids playing up there. I think that's a park. As you can see, we're on a corner lot. We have some pavers to where you can park. Fire hydrant on this side. Repaint the front door. I think all this carpet has to go. These blinds look to be in fine condition. We would choose white, but these look fine and they're already here. Cabinets look good. It's normal to see those chips in the sink. There's really no point in repairing them either because the repairs usually don't last long. This is fake grass as well. You can see the lines, but it's fine. This corner right here doesn't get a ton of sun. It's like 1 or 2 or it's 3 right now. So you get a little bit of sun in the late afternoons, evenings. This is the master. We need 2 blinds in here. A nice, very large room. Split floor plan, so it's separate from the other rooms. Pretty standard closet. Carpet can probably stay in there. These are the correct blinds. This is tile. So you have a couple that's straight to the concrete. So I think replace all the carpet. Nice high ceilings. I believe this is the 3rd window that we would need blinds for. Oof. So that make it the 4th. We need some closet door guides. Fan looks good. Same tile in here. So maybe you could do a plank style vinyl or tile throughout the rest of the house. Maybe vinyl so you could take it in the bedrooms. I'm not sure, but the tile that is existing looks pretty good. Never know what's in the garage. Okay, so we have a door, included junking budget. Okay, that's pretty much it.